Playing with liquid nitrogen is fun as well as dangerous. Be careful while handling liquid nitrogen. In the previous video, we tried checking the temperature of the liquid nitrogen. We broke a glass and frozen some veggies and played with them. Check that video, it will be interesting to watch, links in the description.
Hey, what's up guys? How are you all? This is Ram and you're watching Infinite Explorer. Have you ever thought of making a smoked biscuit at home? Now I will teach you how you can do it too. So let's get started.
Now let's make our own smoked biscuit at home. It's a very simple process and you will get very good results. If you are new here, subscribe to the channel and complete 100 likes target. I know you will do it. Take a bowl. Better take a stainless steel bowl. Because of huge temperature difference, the glass breaks. Just like in the previous video, I didn't know that glass will break that easy. Keep this in mind. I'm taking a Oreo biscuit, add liquid nitrogen to it. The temperature of the biscuit gets super low and the liquid nitrogen which is trapped turned into gas that makes smoke. That's it, just eat it. Too cool. It's daytime and it's too sunny outside, so you can't see the smoke clearly. It's a crazy feeling. One more. It's that simple. As there is more than 70% of nitrogen present in the air, there is no problem inhaling nitrogen. It comes out in respiration process. Did you know that 1 liter of oxygen in liquid form when converted to gas will be more than 860 times? That's 1 liter is equal to 860 liters of oxygen gas. These days, oxygen is more in demand, so they are importing liquid oxygen, which is around minus 183 degrees Celsius. 1 tank of liquid oxygen is equal to more than 860 tank of oxygen gas. I hope you like the video. Meet you in the next one. Until then, keep exploring infinity.